Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate a task on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on first you need to log in by using your Touch ID or passcode. Tap on the calendar icon down below, which is the second option, and then tap on one of the tasks that you want to duplicate. Click on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find a second section and tap on the second option, duplicate. Now your task has been duplicated, so if you go back to your schedule by clicking on this button in the upper left corner of the screen, you're going to see that in today's section you have the gym task twice. However, the copied one or the duplicated one is called gym copied. So you can change its name by deleting the copied part, and for example you can add gym 2 or something else. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.